Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back for another video. Today we will show you how to make payment from SAP automatic payment. So first of all, we need to go to vendor ledger. So FBL1N, just enter. We have one party. His name is Trimax. Trimax inspection and transport. So just execute. We will check how much total order standing here showing. So total order standing showing 6,594. So in every SAP we need to double click in the document number, shift F1. So need to activate this and put here payment method. O is belong to, if your bank and supplier bank is same, then we need to put N, otherwise different bank we need to put O. So we will check house banks. So house bank is merged from the bank. It automatically send the all the file to the bank. So we have house bank ADC03, ADC03, and here we will check the bank. So this is showing ADC, so our bank and supplier bank is same. So 001 selected, and then payment method. Earlier I told you N, because our bank and party bank is same. So just N select and enter, and control is save. Then go to same procedure for every invoice if we are going to pay through automatic payment through SAP. Just we select N, F8, it will appear. Otherwise you can go to extra, and I will show you. Otherwise go to the extra, additional data, so it will appear house bank. Just select the house bank, and U001 is bank added, and just save. Same procedure will do again. F1 payment method N, because our and his bank is same. House bank selected, and payment bank type 001, and control S. Again we will open the document and shift F1 N, because our bank and his bank is same. So same procedure. If you have all the invoice, you need to first of all active. Same procedure, shift F1, then press the N, go to the house bank, select the house bank, and then bank, supplier bank, enter S. So now our ledger is vendor supplier bank is activated for automatic payment. We will go to another T code. We have here online bank access. So this is F110. Just double click. Today run date we will put 26/10/2024. ID whatever you want to select it. So I just maintaining here October 24, my transaction number. Go to the parameter, select the company code. We have 8813. NO means N means same bank, O means other. We will select the both together. Next payment date we will put from the date, so 27th October. And vendor I will copy the vendor code here and just paste, enter, control S, save. Go to the additional, due date check, payment method check, line item check. This payment selection no need to select. Just paste the vendor code, control enter and save. Go to the status, proposal, just click here and execute. A proposal is running, enter. Go to the display proposal. Yeah, here is the showing. It's green means it's okay, no error, anything happened. So go back, payment run, execute, enter. So go back again, and we need to select ZKEC hyphen ZI060. We need to transfer the file to bank. Just enter company code. You need to select 813 house bank ADC03 ADC03 ADC03. So last time I told you ID is maintaining 5, otherwise you can select from here. Here it will appear. So this is my current one. So appear, test run, F8 execute, go back, everything okay. So final run we will do, remove this and then F8 execute. Now the file is safe. It will go to the bank and you have to check, go to the bank portal, whatever your bank, check, then and it's appear there and you can approve, the payment will transfer. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot. If you like this type of video, please subscribe.